Hello students, welcome to the class 8th standard mathematics. Today we shall learn construction of a rhombus. So let us now construct the rhombus with the given measurements. So what are the measurements we can use it? One side and one diagonal we can use it, and one side one angle as well as two diagonals, and one diagonal and one angle can be given to construct the rhombus. Now the question is, construct a rhombus rose with the name RO equal to 5 cm and RS equal to 8 cm. Also find its area. So to continue this problem, in the beginning let us write the given measurements and let us draw the rough diagram. Rhombus is a kind of quadrilateral which has 4 sides and 4 angles, also 2 diagonals. Now let us name this rhombus ROSE. Now let us mark out the given measurements. RO equal to 5 cm and RS equal to 8 cm. So therefore draw the diagonal R and S. So RS is 8 cm. Let us remember one of the characteristics of rhombus, that is all the sides of the rhombus are equal. So therefore this is 5 cm and this side 5 cm and another side also will be 5 cm. Now let us draw the line segment RO 5 cm. So let us name this as RO as 5 cm. Now let us draw the diagonal RS using the compass. Now take 8 cm distance in the ruler. So this is 8 cm. And after taking this 8 cm, to draw RS, keep the tip of the compass at R and draw the arc and again take the measure of 5 cm to draw the OS. 5 cm in the compass. Now to draw the OS, keep the tip of the compass at O and draw the arc. Intersection of those two arcs will be called S. Now join OS or S. Now again take 5 cm of the arc and draw from SE and RE. Five centimeter I have taken, and again at S draw the one more arc. Now intersection of this point will be called E. Now join RE and SE. Now let us write the measures for each side. and we need to find the area. Area of rhombus will be rhos, that is 1 by 2 into t1 into d2 square units. What is mean by d? D is called diagonal, and one of the diagonal will be given, or they have given rs, that is 8 centimeter, and one more diagonal we need to find it out from the diagram. So how can we find? And this is very easy. Simply join the distance of EO and measure it. Now we need to measure the distance of EO. Here we are getting 5.9 centimeter. So you can write 5.9 centimeter. Now we need to substitute these values in the formula and we need to calculate the area. So therefore 1 by 2 into d1 value is 8 centimeter and d2 value is 5.9 centimeter. Now product of this will be, cancelling this we get 4, and 4 into 5.9. Product of this 4 and 5.9 we get 23.6, which means there is a decimal value 0.9. So if we move the decimal point from left to right, then one digit it moves. So therefore we get 23.6 centimeter square, or we could write 23.6 square centimeter. Type 2. Construct a rhombus leaf with LE equal to 6 centimeter and L equal to 65 degree. Also find its area. Here I have written the given measures, and now we are going to draw the rough diagram for the rhombus. Now I give the name to this rhombus, that is LEAF. The name I have given. Next the measures are LE will be 6 centimeter and angle must be 65 degree. So these are the information we have taken from the question, and now we are going to draw the main diagram. So let us draw the line segment LE equal to 6 centimeter. Now let us draw, or let us mark the 65 degree angle. So using the protractor we can find it out, 65 degree. Now use your ruler and draw the angle LX. So for this ray let us give the name X and let us draw 65 degree angle. Now we know that all the sides of the rhombus are equal. So let us take 6 centimeter in a compass and draw the arc. So 6 centimeter I have taken. Now at L draw the arc and at E draw the arc. Now join this intersecting point F to the E. Therefore, the diagonal EF, just measure it. Here we can see that the distance between E and F will be 6.4 centimeter. So we can write 6.4 centimeter. And again, at the point of F, take 6 centimeter in a compass and draw the one more arc to the previous arc. Now intersection of this two arc will be called A. Now join EA and AF. Now join another diagonal LA and measure its distance. So here we are getting 10.2. Isn't it? We are getting 10.2 centimeter. So now let's go to find the area. Now write that area of rhombus leaf. And which is equal to, the formula is 1 by 2 into d1 into d2 square units. Now the d1 value is 6.4 centimeter and d2 value is 10.2 centimeter. So without centimeter I write here 6.4 into 10.2. Now just cancel it with 2 table, then you will get 3.2. And now multiply the 3.2 and 10.2. Product of this two value we get 3264. Here there are two decimal numbers exist. That means there is a digit 1 and one more digit 2. So therefore we need to move the decimal number to the left side. So therefore it moves 2 digit and we get the decimal point before 6. So therefore 32.64 centimeter square. So the area of rhombus is 32.64 centimeter square, which is the answer for this diagram.